Meat. It's a valued food for humans throughout our time on this planet. We eat so many different types of meat. Here is a rundown all the kinds of meat we eat. I like beef, steaks, roast beef, everything beef. Bison is a more expensive alternative to beef, but not as expensive as Kobe beef. My brother loves fried chicken. I love roast chicken. Our mother gives us chicken soup when we're sick. Turkey is popular at family gatherings. Every Christmas we roast one. Duck is popular, and especially Peking duck. Very greasy and moist. Barbecued ribs are delicious. When I go out with friends, that's what I eat. Lamb chops are expensive, but so delicious. Mutton is meat from a mature sheep. It can be cooked so it is so tender. Pork and pork chops are great. It's a worldwide popular meat. Ham is such a versatile meat. Eat it roasted or sliced and use on sandwiches. It even comes in a can. Venison is meat from wild game like elk, antelope, or deer. It has a very distinct taste. Dried or cured meats really bring out the flavor. Charcuterie is expensive but worth the price. How do you like your steak? I like my steak rare. I like my steak medium rare. I like my steak well done. What's your favorite type of meat? The one you almost always order? Let us know in the comments.